Hi, I'm Peter. Yesterday my mom and dad asked me, "Son, why are you not using your Google glasses?" My answer is, I'm changing to iLens. iLens is using top invisible technology, which you can see the so-called touchscreen in front of your eyes. It's basically like a projector which projects anything in front of my eyes but can only be seen by me. Pretty awesome, right? So what does it actually look like? It has 3 layers. The middle layer will be kept every time you change to the other 2 protective layers. It's clean and eco-friendly. Then, my mom is quite concerned. She asked, "How do I control it?" It's simple. There are 3 ways to do it. Mid-air control, the screen will be in a certain distance by your own adjustment. It's like smartphones. Simply by drag and drop in the air, you can control it. Next is voice control. The voice function features 50 plus languages, and this especially benefits people who can't see. Eyeball control is also very simple. The camera on the lens is like an eye detector. Well, if I want to scroll down, just look down. How easy and simple is that? What can it do then? You can communicate. The calling notification will work with Bluetooth earphone or simply your smartphones. You can check your Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr anytime and keep track of your friends' recent activities. It also works with apps such as photo enhancing, fitness control, games, and everything you can think of. Besides, the driver can have the updated information of the road and people are more accessible to latest news. iLens features an incredible 20 hours rechargeable battery. It's also hand-free, so I can use it whenever I want. The information can only be seen by the users, and the lens is customized since we all have different sizes of eye. Moreover, it can also make our world better. Nowadays, my grandmother may have problems using computer or smartphones. However, iLens is easy to use and even help the physically challenged people by using eyeball movement or voice control. It can also be fashionable with different colors of lenses. After talking a lot and probably my dad just have enough, so he asked, "So, I'm a police, how can iLens help me out?" iLens actually have many different model types which individuals can get it and customize to their specific usage. The specific model type for police has face detection. When they see suspect on the street, they can recognize them immediately. How cool is that? In summary, it's a multifunctional device and it's awesome. And it's more than just a smartphone. So why not change to iLens?
Created using Powtoon.